Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making Google the default search in Edge so every address bar query uses it. Open Edge settings, go to Privacy, Search and Services, then jump to Address Bar and Search. Once there, pick Google from the list. If it's missing, add it manually and confirm. Make sure you sign into your Google account in Edge. This syncs preferences and keeps results personalized. After this initial change, you'll notice searches, suggestions, and history behaving consistently across devices. Next, optimize everyday access and features so Google feels native in Edge. You can pin Google to the new tab page or set a custom new tab URL to open Google directly. Then, enable sync for passwords, history, and extensions so bookmarks and signed-in sessions match other devices. Install essential Google extensions like Translate or Search to restore missing functionality. If needed, allow extensions from other stores. Once done, you'll get consistent search behavior, integrated tools, and smoother cross-device continuity. To finish, fine-tune permissions and resolve common problems so Google works reliably. Review and remove any duplicate or conflicting search engines that might steal queries. Make sure site permissions and cookies allow Google services. Reset them if pages fail to load or sign-in is blocked. If results look wrong, try guest mode or temporarily disable extensions to isolate the cause. If search still doesn't default to Google, repeat the default selection step and relaunch Edge. That fixes lingering configuration glitches most times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.